Hello everyone, welcome back. From the last video, we spoke about masterminds and how we can show who created queries and dashboards and how it looks like in different users' perspective. In this video, we'll be looking at permissions. If you take a peek at my current screen now, you will notice that there's a query that has an aesthetic at the start of it. This is one way in which Blazor helps us to control permissions on who can edit a particular query and who can view a particular query. In this video, we'll be going in depth to see how all this work. So just to kick this off, first off, let's explain all the different kind of permissions that Blazor have. First, Blazor have the no name permission. In this permission, with this permission, no name on the query is not shown at all. Meaning, if you create a query that does not have a name, let's say we have a query here, with the query, and we didn't give it a name, and let's do just select all from users. Run this. So I run this now. We can see the query and I create this. Even though it's created, it doesn't have a name. It's only shown on the list of query here. So meaning any query that doesn't have a name is not listed in this index page. That's the first permission of Blazor. The second now is then the aesthetic one. In Blazor, the aesthetic one is any query or dashboard that has the aesthetic will only be editable by the creator. As you can see in this case, this query was not created by me. If I click here and I try to edit it, you can see it doesn't give me the permission to edit this query, meaning only the user is able to edit this query. Let's see if we can find the user, what's in the user, but let's just try. Let me go to a new incognito window, and let me see if the user is Mac. Let me copy Mac. I'm currently logging as Lucas. Let me use Mac. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, once I log in. Not Steamy. Okay. I'm just so as not to go around trying to do that. Let me fork this. Let me do this and fork this query and give it an asterisk as an the stats. Let me create this. Once I create this, I go home. You can then see this aesthetic one is created by me. You can come here, click here, and go and I can edit this query. You can see. Or let's say I go to my other logged in user, which is Mac. Let me refresh this page, and I see the query here. As you can see, it was created by Luke, and I try to edit it as Mac. I have no permission to edit. So with this, you can see the permissions for the aesthetic. The last permission that Blazor allow would be the view permission, meaning any query that has the hash at the back won't be viewed by other users. So let's say if I do this and give it the hash and create this particular query, and I go home. Since I am the one that created this query, I can see the hash all users set by me. But if I didn't go to my to Lucas home page, I go home and I refresh this Lucas page. As you can see, the hash shown is not showing in Lucas page. So meaning the hash permission, only the creator has ability to see that query and not any other user. With this is all the permissions that Blazor supports. With this, I would call this the end of this video. And from our next video, we'll be looking at chats unless something comes up. Yeah, thank you for listening to me and have a good day.